Okay, I need you all to listen the duck up because it's my birthday, baby. It's about to be my birthday. Birthday means big preparation and turning 23, the big 23. I feel like a granny now. Let me just explain to you guys all the appointments that I had today. So it's been a long few couple days, so I don't even remember what I really did, but all I know is that today, hey, don't do that. I got a new puppy. Hello, my baby. This is BB, my little angel bun. Hello, my cutie little angel bun. Why are you shaking? She always like gets really excited. Hello, my little angel bun. Look at the big belly. Then look at her little fluffy back. Do 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 do. Cutest little angel baby in the whole wide world. Here are my two babies. Say hello. Besides me getting a whole new family, I had an appointment today early in the morning. It wasn't early, but it was 11 in the morning. I went to go get my hair done and I got 40 inches, baby. I got 4 bundles in my hair. And this is a sew-in look. It's literally so freaking long, like, guys. I don't think you guys can even see that. No, because what am I inching for? I'm truly giving Nicki Minaj, you know that one meme of her where she's like doing this and then she goes down, down, down. My hair is looking absolutely deliciously scrumptious. You guys will see later on. I'm gonna be doing like a whole like puppy video if I haven't already posted it. But yeah, it's been a lot. Like I've been doing like shoots like every other like day and I love it so much, but then like I have 2 babies now. I've been going to my tanning appointment, so as you guys can see, like I'm looking tan and I've been going outside, I've been tanning. Tomorrow I have my nail appointment, but then in the morning we have a chin appointment. So like basically I'm doing like some cool sculpting. It's not technically that. And then after that I have a body sculpting session and it's gonna be really juicy. I'm so excited for that. In the afternoon I'm going to go and get my nails done, and then on Friday, the next day, I'm gonna go get my brows laminated and it's gonna be a whole thing, so just stay tuned. Let's talk about my tan though. She's looking mighty delicious. I know you guys are gonna ask me where my bralette is from. This is from Savage X Fenty. Now let's go to bed because I'm gonna be picking up Maggie tomorrow at 5:30 in the morning because she is in LA. If you guys saw my talks, you guys would have known. But she's in LA. She was staying with Folake, and I didn't get to vlog this, but yesterday we hung out with Folake and it was so fun. Folake is an amazing gal too. Picking her up at 5:30 and then we're gonna get some Starbies and then I shall be going to my appointments. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I already picked up Maggie from the airport, but I didn't film it because like my mind was like, let me get her to the airport. She got me Starbucks before we took off and that was so sweet of her. But guys, look how tan I'm looking. And then I also like put my scarf underneath. I'm gonna brush up my hair. I love this brush, guys. I freaking love this brush. I've had it for like 2 years. Sorry, it's like it has hair in it right now, but this is like the wet brush and it works like a freaking dream. Like it always gets my knots out, whether it's dry or if it's wet. Like literally it's the best detangling brush ever. Oh my gosh, people with naturally long hair like this, I literally applaud you because how do you deal with it every single day? Definitely a full-time job, but my little hairline is always messing up because obviously I have like wavy, wannabe curly-ish hair. Got lots to do today, guys. Got lots to do. Also yesterday I forgot to tell you guys, like I went to go get fitted for a dress and I did buy like a super pretty like custom designer dress and I'm so like I'm literally obsessed. It's a black owned designer dress and I can't wait. It is so freaking gorgeous. I do have a piece that's being made for me from the girl that always says my birthday fits, but we don't know if it's gonna get in on time, so we're gonna see. Like that's my backup dress, and if like the one that I'm buying today, if I have to save the one that I'm buying today, then sure, like I'll do that. I'm really just trying to like protect the duck out of my hair, bro. Like gotta put on some sunscreen. This is a new sunscreen. This is the Lighthearted sunscreen by Sunday Riley. I've never tried this before, so I'm only gonna put on a little bit. You always want to put on sunscreen. I look a little crazy right now. My hair is like not cooperating because I took out like all the stuff because I don't want to come in all crazy. Look at my Billy mask. But I am at La Belle Vie Spa and this is on Ventura. If you guys live in the valley, I think it's called Forma. I'm excited. I'm scared to see if it hurts.
It's gonna start. It's not gonna be hot right away, but it's gonna get hotter. So right now we are increasing the temperature until it reaches the temperature that we want it to be at. That's effective. Definitely like 6 treatments. How does it feel?
I feel it actually doesn't feel bad.
No,
it
shouldn't feel bad.
Yeah, I feel like when it's focused a little bit, I do feel that it's a little warm. Yeah. Okay guys, I just finished, and let me tell you, look at this after. You guys might not be able to tell much of a difference, but I can tell on this other side. It just looks a lot more snatched. Like before I looked a little bit more swollen, but this is like considered the red carpet facial, and it looks good. Head over to my body contouring, so many appointments, and then afterwards tonight after my nails I actually have another appointment. I'm gonna go get my brows laminated. So finally made it to our destination. We're going to get body contoured at Rave Beauty Bar. I'm nervy. Here we are. Okay.
Like high pitched? Can you hear it?
Yeah, I hear.
Okay. We're breaking down that.
Okay, my body sculptor is amazing. Her name is Trisha, and she sculpted me up. You guys probably saw it already on Instagram. If you guys do follow me on there, make sure to keep up with me on all my socials, guys. She was so good and super accommodating. She made sure I was okay at all times. We had fun conversation. She's a Cancer, so we got along right away like this. But I'm gonna go get my tan right now. This is actually where I go to get my tan. Here, I did get like a little package deal, so it is a lot cheaper. Hello, Mama. Hello. Are you excited to see me? He's like, I'm done with you going to appointments every single day. You run around? He's still scared of her. All the kitties ready to go to grandma's house. Yes, little mama? Okay, let's go. So since I haven't eaten all day, I went ahead and I got this avocado salad from Pollo Loco because like I got put on like a couple years back and it's so bomb, like I can't stop. Like whenever I need something healthy, this is it. And also it's gonna take me an hour and 40 minutes to freaking get to my mom's house. Let's hope we can make it to our nail appointment. I've been in the car for like the past 2 hours and 30 minutes and I'm sick of it. I just dropped off my children's and now I'm gonna go get these catastrophes done. Oh my gosh, guys, just got my nails done and look how they just like gleam, like they're blinding my freaking camera. Are you kidding? Like up close. Wow. And then this is the other hand. She does like completely different styles of like the gem placements. These are all Swarovski crystals. I'm actually like at a new nail tech, so I'm gonna put her at right here, and you guys definitely need to go check her out. She's gonna be my new nail tech. I'm so excited. Thank you, Liz. So I got you your birthday present, and it's not BB. Hi. Okay, open your gift.
Oh, no post, wow.
Wow, the heat. And it's your favorite color too.
Wow, I'm finally a cool kid now.
You need a little bit of spice.
Don't forget the Yeezys you got me too. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. Look at my outfit. I didn't it wasn't like intentionally planned for me to be matching, but guys, look at this little tee. I've had it for a while. It says "Who Hurt You" and like spray paint type vibes. I'm going over to get my toes done. Like I said, I was gonna get my toes in today. Yesterday I was supposed to get my brows laminated, but I ended up getting home like really late, so like that appointment didn't work out. But I am gonna get it today and like right after I do my nails. These are the little stickers that I'm gonna be using. These are just like some nail art stickers I'm gonna be putting on my toes. I think I'm gonna do white toes. I usually do like pink toes. Like if you guys know me, you know I've always done pink toes. Like that's my thing. So I want to do white toes, white gel toes with these, and these are gonna be super freaking cute. I actually got these in like a little care package. A little side note though, I'm wearing my mask, so hopefully I'm not too muffly. This is the Prada bag that Cindy got me like a year ago for my birthday, and I'm like scrambling to find, you know, what I'm looking for, and I just realized my whole entire purse is all, literally all lipsticks and lip glosses. I just finished up my nails. I'm gonna show you guys my toesies right now. Oh my gosh, I still can't get over my freaking nails. Like, girl, okay, let me show you. These are my toesies and my nails. So cute. I love it. Such a dog mom. Hey guys, I'm home. I am so freaking tired. So I don't know if I told you guys this. I don't think I did because I was in such a rush today, but my makeup like messed up a little bit because I was sweating a bit, but makeup still looks bomb, very bomb. Let me just touch up a little bit because I am going to be making some TikToks. I always like to just take my beauty blender and like good to go. This is the makeup that I wore to like my birthday shoot. My brows, for some reason, like now that they're not like actually laminated, my little NYX brow gel doesn't work as well. I couldn't get my brows laminated. As you guys know, I've been trying to get them laminated for like the past few days, but like my schedule has been all over the place. So I'm just gonna get to making TikToks and then I'm gonna take a nap. I just like came back from my shoot and then having some sushi with Sophie. Now I'm tired, so I'm gonna give myself a break. Hey guys, I'm looking like so tan on my face. I didn't go tan yesterday because I didn't, because I was so freaking tired from like all the things that I was doing. My shoot exhausted me. I don't even think I updated you guys afterwards, but it exhausted me like hard. So I'm gonna go get my tan right now. I'm actually going to my parents' house today. Today's the 18th, the day before my birthday. And since it's Sunday and my birthday's on Monday, it works better for them because, you know, they work. But I love tres leches. Like, that's the only cake that I can eat and enjoy and like have tons of. But other than that, I don't like cake. It's just dry. I don't care what anyone says. Like, the occasional chocolate cake, but even then, that's like too much sometimes. Oh, Antoine, give me a tour of what you made me.
We have some fresh cut watermelon, aka melon de agua, agua chile with extra agua.
What is it?
What do you mean?
What's aguachiles?
Water chili.
It's my little OOTD. Very nice. Very cute. Come here, Jason.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Aidette. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Que le muerda.
Make a wish. I wish I had a cake.
It looks like my finger.
I don't want this with the rest.
I shan't. I should, but I can't. I shouldn't. What's a joke?
When you call mushroom, that's funny.
What?
A fun guy.
Turn this. How do I turn this off? I look like Kylie Jenner. What's that one trend where it's like stupid clips? The BBL?
The BBL. Don't mind me just sobbing on my birthday. Look at my baby, she has hiccups. Show them your hiccups, mama. Oh! I got it. You comforting your mama? Look at this. Look what Cindy brought in. Good morning, guys. It is 6 in the morning. I'm on my way to go to Rupina's. You guys already know the drill. Rupina is my friend and my makeup artist. I am just so excited to go and get my makeup done. It's really, really early. I have to be at her house at 7 and right now it's about like 6:10. So I have time to go get myself a Starbucks. And funny thing, last night she was like calling me stressing about like, dude, like I have an event like right after I do your makeup, like at 11 and I have no outfits. And then so I FaceTimed her and I was like, I got you. So I'm giving her like a whole big bag full of stuff and she was like, you're a lifesaver. And I'm like, I know. Just kidding, guys, but yeah. So that's what's going on right now. Let's go get our makeup done. Alright guys, I'm eating the cake that Cindy brought me last night. It's so good. I wish you guys could have seen. She came into my room when I was like crying last night because I got some like really heartfelt messages. Tres leches is the only cake I will have because I love how moist it is. And it's the only one that tastes good, so. I'm like not a big drinker, but apparently I have something in my front door. Oh my gosh. Shut the duck up. Ooh, ducking away. So beautiful. I love it. Look at how pretty she is. I know this is probably bad, but I need a nap. Like, I have been going everywhere this past like months, and especially this week. Like, I've been going back and forth, as you guys can see, like driving hours and hours and hours, like to completely different directions for appointments, and it's led up to this moment, and I look so good. So what I'm going to do is, ouchies, look at this little brat. Okay, good night, y'all. All right, guys, so this is my outfit. I'm just going to back up, you guys. I'm sure you guys have already seen this on Instagram, but this is what it looks like. Juicy, so freaking sparkly. I'm in love. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, this is just everything. It really looks like there's nothing holding it up. Like, it's just a bunch of jewels, and I'm obsessed. And then the back is like gray, silver, and I got these from the swap meet. You'd be surprised, right? And then this is also from the swap meet. I only got this for $6 and these for like $1. Strip of heels, and that's the outfit. So let's go to Boa. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I had such a great day. Today was very different from all of my other birthdays. I just feel like there's something different to this one, but I'm still very grateful. And this dress, absolutely freaking stunning. Like, I still can't get over it. And then like the shimmer here, this is like my secret weapon right here. I've been like using it recently. If you guys can see, it like shimmers. These like little accents, the makeup. Thank you, Rubina, for gifting me this makeup today. I was gonna pay her and she was like, no, like, this is your birthday gift. Shout out to her. Everything was amazing, guys. And then I have my two little puppies down here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.